Hello everyone, welcome back to month 2 of the Kitchen Magick Cooking Challenge. Today we will be making the Imbolc inspired ritual herb soup. If you want to learn more about what this challenge is about, I linked the first video in the cards above to watch and enjoy. Now, this ritual herb soup is basically a pumpkin soup. Lucky for me, I still have leftover pumpkin from October that I used for this recipe. You'll need a few more ingredients like garlic, potatoes, onions, carrots, spring onions, vegetable broth, sage, nutmeg, oregano, salt, pepper, and olive oil. You'll dice all your veggies and pan fry them with the spices and oils to a soft golden brown. Add some broth to avoid the veggies from burning, and once they have gotten some color, add the rest of the broth and boil. I added a little bit of water to this because I found that the consistency of the veggie and the broth was a little too thick. Once boiled, let it cool down before you blend. You can have it as is at this point, but from when I made this over the winter break, I discovered adding in some cheese stuffed gnocchi makes it so much better. Have it by yourself or have it with your loved ones. Either way, serve it hot and enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to continue to follow along with this challenge. Thank you for joining me today, and as always, stay safe and stay magical. Until next month, toodles for now.